guys, welcome back to Drift Trike Build Part
6?
to episode 6. Just correct us if we're wrong. It's been a while. The reason we haven't been able to record a video in a long time is because he's been gone for like some work thing, and with all this coronavirus stuff, it's been hard to find time to actually record a video. And so here behind us we have the main attraction.
The Drift Trike. You guys may be able to see back there another project that takes a lot of my time. It's a Christmas light deal. I know it's only July, well August now, but it takes about half the year to get everything ready for me because I do a big show.
Basically, quick description of it is we put for Christmas, put a bunch of lights on our house. You can pull up and tune your radio to this certain station, and it will play music, and the lights on the house will flash along to the music.
Yeah, we'll put a link in the description below.
Yeah.
You guys can check it out if you want to.
It's on the Facebook page.
We know you're all here to check out the Drift Trike. Hopefully we're going to get a little more work done on it, and we'll see how it goes.
So what are we going to do today?
We're going to work on the back end. I got to get that back arm situated the way we want it and at the right height. We got to be able to get that axle in there so we can take it out without having to take the whole motor off. So
yeah, that might make things a little bit faster.
yeah. So anyway, stay tuned. Hope we make a good one for you. We might have to make it a couple days, just because it's kind of late in the afternoon as it is right now. So we may have to tail into tomorrow or the next day to finish this up for the video. But so you might see a outfit change.
Yeah,
but
maybe one or two times.
yeah, we're gonna try to get you some good content before we put it on the internet.
All right, let's do this. So in case you didn't understand all that mumbo jumbo we just said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, and since you guys probably can't see it, but it's not, the bottom of it is not exactly aligned with this. So we're just gonna lower that, and then we're gonna cut out a notch for this thing to go into. Now the second part that was my idea, I'm hoping that we will be able to take these things and like kind of cut them so that they look like cool exhausts. That's my idea. I don't know what Dad thinks about it. We're getting ready for the best part, the grinding. Oh, these glasses have way too much stuff in them. Where are the clear glasses? Where are my clear glasses?
Just put this on.
Wait.
See, too much time messing around, I ain't gonna miss it.
No. Stop. All right, go. Okay.
Grab it.
I'm not gonna grab it with my bare hands. Yeah.
It's fun to just eat it.
Hot metal pile. Okay. Test fit, part 2.
There we go.
Dad, this time you get to test if it's hot.
It's hot.
Good to know. Alright, so next we're gonna do welding. Right?
Yeah, we gotta make sure this is in the right place, and then we can go ahead and weld.
Wait,
this
show
on.
them the wiggle while we're welding.
Well, we're not welding because of wiggle. We gotta measure it because of this.
Ah.
So that's how we measure it. Make sure both sides are the same out from the middle. But then we'll weld that in and get it locked in.
Also, you might not notice, but we have some brand new welding magnets. Oh yeah!
Gosh.
What? It's exciting. We got something new.
All right. Well, there you have it.
Alright, it's time to weld. Alright, we just made sure the back's even. Now it's time to start welding. Yay. No, we're further making sure it's even. know those times when you're doing something really exciting, but then you get bored? Yeah. So you guys have seen us ride it.
Sitting on it.
Well, sitting on it, yeah. But you've never actually got to sit on it yourself. So here you go. You are currently driving it. Reach out and grab the handlebars. And then you go. You're going so fast. You're going fast, very slow. Yeah. Well, you can see behind me here. What are you doing?
Getting ready to cut out the notches for the axle.
This is what we're going to use to cut out some notches. All right, so we're about to drill the notch for the axle.
Stand right here.
Stand?
Yeah.
Like actually stand.
Yeah. Go put that on.
You sure it's strong enough?
Yes. I'm gonna need you to stand on it and turn this way. Okay, bend down. Oh!
Did it break?
No, broke my arm. Yeah.
All right. The other side.
Alright.
Okay. The wheel had turned like.
Did it?
Yeah, it turned that much while you're doing that. You know what would be awesome? So now we're going to cut.
Start to say it again.
Alright, so now we are going to cut the notches out. We're using the big. Listen, we gotta name this thing. We can't just keep calling it the big grinder.
I mean, that's what it is.
No, but.
You're gonna have to think of a name, Russ.
Or you can comment.
What?
Hey guys, name the big grinder down in the comment section.
What should we call it?
Yeah. Alright, now we're going to do a close up. Pliers, 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 pliers. Oh, found them. It's like operation.
I hope I got that.
What?
I said I hope I got that. Alright, so let's drop the axle in and see what it looks like. Let's see.
Some pointy in my finger.
Ready?
Ready? Slide them in. Yeet. Look at that. The phone's not focusing. Crap. There. Ooh-wee. Take it out and put it back in. How loose is it?
Well, it's supposed to be way bigger. So that's part of the plan. So there's it. Drop the engine back on.
All right.
Should go something like that.
I'd say we're over halfway done.
Oh, we are way over halfway. All right, so next time we record, we'll get the bearing holes cut, and we'll get ready to mount the bearings, and we'll try to get a rolling chassis by the end of this episode.
We can take it out to the driveway and roll it around.
Yeah, see what's up. All right, guys, we'll be back.
All right, so it's next day. What are we about to do?
So we're gonna drill out the holes, mark and drill out the holes to mount the bearings, which is gonna let us put this whole thing on the ground. But we got these bolts that are gonna go through here.
All right.
But I want to sleeve out the tube so we can really cinch it down. So that means I've got to cut these down so they'll fit in here. And when we mark it, we got to drill it out big enough so that we can weld these in to there before we run the bolt through it. So that's what we're gonna do.
Alrighty. Right now we're finishing up.
The sleeves.
Yeah, we're finishing up the sleeve. So you just grabbed a drill and said we need to drill some holes. So you still haven't told me, what are we gonna drill holes for?
Come and put fluid on it.
Okay. My neck's starting to hurt. My feet hurt. My toes hurt. My butt hurts. You just added a new one to the list. My ears hurt. We need you guys to name the big grinder. Since we're not very good at naming, are we? So we thought this would be easy. We just took like this rivet gun or whatever it is.
Drill.
We took a drill, got a big drill bit, and we tried to just easily do it. It didn't go well.
That's okay.
It just spent like 10 minutes on this.
That's why I need a lathe.
What the freak
Could
is
have
a
done that.
lathe?
No. Could have done that in about a minute and a half with a lathe.
What's that?
Anyway, I'll tell you in a minute. All right, let's continue on.
One more to go. Yay. Oh yeah, I get to do stuff with the hot metal. Do I put this in the hot metal pile?
No.
Alright.
Last one.
Yay. Alright, so we did all this right. And I'm hoping we did. Fingers crossed.
It's gonna be hot back there.
What?
It's gonna be hot.
Yeah. We're just gonna grinding it. Alright, that fits. Where's the other one? There. And this one. Yes, it fits. Alright, let's grab this one. It's heavier than I thought. Wait, it's pushing this one out. Work. Dad, it's pushing out the pieces.
Yeah. Let's weld them in there.
Oh, yay. What are you doing?
Test fit.
No, test fit. It seems the metal has shrunken. All right. So?
Got it trimmed up. So, got these sleeved out so we can really tighten these down, cinch them down a whole lot, and we won't crush the tube. So, if we did this right, it should just slide right across.
All right. Not exactly sliding.
Well, I mean, I can slide right across. So, heck yeah! All right. And big washer.
What comes next?
And
What are we next?
big washer. And then a nut.
So at the end of this episode, we'll have a rolling chassis. Chassis. Dang it! I always think I messed up.
So there's loosely that one. That's good.
Let's put that over here so I can sit on this tire.
And then
We're not gonna record us doing the other side since y'all have already seen what happened with this, and it's just gonna add like a whole nother 10 minutes to the video.
looks exactly the same.
It's gonna add like 10 hours to our life. Hey, I know this is just another section of our video, but for me and Dad, yeah, for us. But for us, it's been about a month and a half. A month. Like it's been like 6 weeks, right?
Yep.
So yeah, it's been 6 weeks. As you can see, lots changed. Last time you saw us, this like some big black thing over here, right there. So I'm just gonna give you a little rundown of what we've done so far. We're almost done with today's video. So I'm just come over here. Mind your head. Turn this. Let me look down. Wait. Sorry. Alright. So make it look a little farther down. So, the last time you guys were here with us, you saw us doing this piece. We completed that. We did the side over there. And that's when we stopped. So it's been a long time for us. So now we have, this is what's going to hold the wheels in place. And we have a little piece holding the motor down to this. We have got the gears and everything. And so now I can actually spin the wheel, even though it isn't aligned. You can still spin it. Yeah! And we have the casings for the wheel. Alright, so now the slates. Alright, let's get back to the action. So, I know in our last clip we said, let's get back to work. But while we were cleaning up and getting ready to get back to work,
turns out
we finished all we needed to do for this video. So we were like trying to think of the things that we could do to make this video longer so it wouldn't be really awkward, and then it turned out to be just longer and really awkward.
we're gonna close this one out. The next one you're probably gonna see the same thing we're wearing right now because we're gonna start on the next section. And
we just don't want this video to be like 5 hours long.
Yeah. So we're gonna close this one out. We'll see you guys next time.
Hold on. Start a track from behind us.
Well, all right.
I got a
There we
sticker.
go. So what do we do?
Stickers.
Hopefully those that watch this video have been with us.
You're still watching by this point.
So hopefully you already are subscribed. Sorry it took so long to get this video out to you guys.
Yeah, like with all this corona.
Well, I've had some stuff at work. I had a class I had to go to, and that just takes priority. So now we're back. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time.
Good to be back. All right, you will turn off the camera. I'm waiting.
See ya.
Stand here.